Hi guys, Assalamualaikum and welcome to our channel Healthy Food Recipes. Today I am going to make winter's special and everyone's favorite as well as mine too, chicken vegetable soup. So let's start by adding almost 2 liters of water in a saucepan. So now start adding half a chicken with bones. I don't prefer adding boneless chicken. Now adding peas, almost 1 cup. Now start adding capsicum, carrot, green chilies and half a cabbage as per your taste. All these vegetables are finely chopped. Now adding salt, almost 2 teaspoons. Then add black pepper, almost 2 teaspoons, approximately equal to 1 tablespoon. Now add soya sauce, 2 tablespoons, chili sauce 2 tablespoons, and vinegar 2 tablespoons. Give it a good mix and bring it to boil at high flame for a few minutes until chicken is almost halfly done or more than half. After a few minutes of continuous boiling, take out all the chicken pieces one by one and shred them well. Now add the shredded chicken and give 2 to 3 boils. So in order to give a smooth consistency to our soup, here I am taking half cup of water and adding half to 1 cup of corn flour in it to give a smooth consistency. There should not be any lump. When the mixture is ready, pour it in the boiling chicken and vegetable stock. After that, beat an egg and add the beaten egg in it while continuously stirring. So you can say our yummy and delicious, quick and mouth-watering chicken vegetable soup is ready to be served hot with all the sauces, soy sauce, chili sauce, vinegar. Check out its final look. Hope you people like it and do give it a try. And don't forget to like, comment and share it with your friends too. Thanks for watching.